Hey guys, this is the Helpful Lockpicker here, and the video I have for you today is a challenge lock that was created by the Lockpicking Patrolman. This challenge lock is called Lower in Order GLD Challenge Lock Division. It looks like this is challenge lock number 4. It has the Quickset KW1 keyway, and here's the bidding. He has placed his mark on this key, and we're going to see what it takes to get this Quickset lock open today. So please stay tuned. The key sticks a little bit, but it does work. Alright, so let's see what it takes to get this lock open. We'll try out the key one more time. It does stick just a little bit, but it will open up the lock both ways. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use the top of the keyway tension in 50 thousandths and a standard hook in 25 thousandths, and we'll see what it takes to get this lock open today. I'm going to start off here with key pin number 1. Okay, nothing really on 1. 2, nothing yet. 3, binding up. Got a couple clicks and gave me a small false set. 4, counter rotation. False set is now larger than it was before. Moving on to 5. Okay, let's go back to the beginning. 1, got a little click. Slight movement on the core. 2. Nothing too much from 2. 3 gave me another click, and the false set got a little bit bigger. 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I hit 5 and it opened up. So this lock did provide a little bit of a false set, and I got some counter rotation off quite a few pins here. It was a pretty quick open, but let's see what's inside. I'm excited to get this lock taken apart. So it does have a little circlip on the back here, so let's see if we'll be able to get this off with our little pickle fork without locking it back up here. But if we cannot, that is not a big deal. We can always lock it back up. So it looks like it's going to be a little bit difficult, so we're just locking it up, and we will go from there. Let's see. Okay, so now we got the circlip off the back. We're going to get our pinning tray, and we'll place the circlip right in here. Now, let's get this lock open. So I just got to jiggle the key a little bit here. Let's hope we can get this apart without a shim. I do not like that little gap that it has there, so I'll probably get a shim just to be safe. Just don't want any funny business getting caught. See, that shim doesn't seem to want to fit for some reason. Well, we'll see what happens. Alright, so we got a pin that is sticking here. Let's see, we'll deal with the key pins in a minute here. Alright, so driver pin 1, as we can see. This one looks like it is a serrated spool. Place that down. Copper spring. Now, going back to 2. Very serrated driver pin. It looks like it could be one of those ones from the Chess and Checkers collection from Sparrows, and originally designed by Lock Noob. Very nice pens. 3. Looks like a regular spool here. But we'll get a close-up of these in a minute anyway. Four. Some kind of double spool. It's pretty long looking. That's pretty cool. The steel spring. 5. Looks like another checkers pen from the Chess and Checkers collection. Another steel spring. So that is the driver pens. I'm not seeing any threading on the inside. And let's go over to the key pens here and see what has been done. So key pen 1 looks standard, but it looks like he did do some threading on the chamber. Key pen 2 looks standard. Key pen 3 looks standard. 4 standard. And 5 standard. But he does look like he's done some threading on 1, 4, and 5. Try to see if that will show up in the video here. But this has been a very fun lock, and let's get a close-up of it now. And Lockpicking Patrolman, thank you for making this lock. This was a pretty cool lock, and we'll go over these pens in a little bit more detail here. So, starting off with all the key pens, we can see that we had all standards going across, and then we just had some threading in 1, 4, and 5. Then, moving on down to our drivers, you can see that we have some really cool ones here. We have a serrated spool in 1, that's really nice. Then we have a serrated in 2, looks like one of those checkers pens. Very, very great serrations, those really catch. Then moving on to 3, looks like a regular spool. Then in 4 we have this kind of double looking spool. You can kind of see it there. Let's see if we can hold it a different way. That's pretty cool. And 5, another one of those checkers pens. And just look at how fine those serrations are. Now that is a serious pen. See if we can get it to focus again. But either way, this is a really cool lock. Lockpicking Patrolman, thank you so much for making it. And it was a lot of fun to work on. I didn't see any further modifications inside the lock here itself. And it doesn't look like it would be serrated because you can see that it has all the settings here. So these are all pressed in and they don't look like they've been taken out. But either way, the lock that I have done for you today was Lockpicking Patrolman's challenge lock. It was the Law and Order GLD Challenge Lock Division 4. This lock was a lot of fun and it was a great lock to work on. If anyone is interested in trying it out, please let me know. I wouldn't mind sending it to them. But either way, guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. If you guys have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video, and I hope you all have a great day. Thank you so much.